everybody that would have been in camp with us now for the last 7 weeks. They've been with us for 7 weeks, some of them, and a guy like Yaku, Carlo, all the guys you've mentioned, Vusi, and probably Ruben are the new guys. So what we've seen from them in training sessions, they definitely brought it to us and helping prepare the other guys for the test matches. We feel it's fair to give them opportunity here. And yeah, hopefully we think that they can step up and do the job for us against Wales. Sometimes you get a really skillful 10, and sometimes you get a small nippy 10. Sometimes when Andre was a young guy coming through, he was a guy that took it to the line. So all 10s got different things, and sometimes the guy gets away with being small but being nippy. I think Vusi, for his age, is a really big boy. Certainly in training sessions, he doesn't stand back for the physical side of the game. I think he's nice and calm. It's different than a test match, so that's why it's a test match. He will be tested in that. He's a wonderful kicker of the ball. He kicks great. The way he kicks off, restarts, kicks to touch are great, and to the poles. But that's been not in test matches. So we want to see him in a test match because what he, again, I'm repeating myself, but what he shows in training sessions and also in the Barbarian/SAA game, he definitely showed a lot there. And then I think he's got, for a big man, really good soft hands. Yeah, Yaku is, look, Vusi can still play for the junior box. Yaku is obviously here out of the junior box, and we, Cheswell is also a guy that we would have loved to have here, but we already not messed around, Kevin's team, but Riley got injured with us. Vusi we kept with us here, and Yaku is a guy that I must say, Cheswell, I think, is going to get very far, definitely one day. But yeah, what Yaku has shown is, I always thought he was just a nippy guy, and he's just the finisher, but he's certainly a guy that brings it on the physical side of things as well. For a guy that's 21 years old, he's a powerful player, which is he's not a huge guy, but he's a really powerful player and a guy with a lot of speed. So what we wanted to do here is firstly make sure that we pick a team that has the possibility to beat Wales, but then secondly also give some younger guys a chance again. We were hoping and thinking of playing guys like Sia and so on in this game, but all of them's got a niggle, and now I've been saying this week on week, where they are really close. But common sense just says next week is off, and then we have Argentina away, and all those guys will definitely be ready for that game. So we thought, let's wait another week and pick all of those guys for a very tough away Argentina test match. And then on the other side, give some 4 guys a first test cap.